Today I'm presenting the Monetree EA V1.0 for MT4, a professional expert advisor designed for multiple pairs and stable trading. The package from YoForex comes with the EX4 file, README note, and installation guide, making it simple to set up an MT4. Once installed, you'll find it under Expert Advisors here applied on GBPUSD H1, showing full account details and trade settings. Now let's focus on the backtesting, where this EA really proves its performance. Trades are plotted clearly on the chart with balance, equity, and floating profits updating in real time. And the detailed report shows that with a $10,000 deposit, the EA generated more than $300 net profit, with a strong profit factor of 2.04 and a controlled relative drawdown below 7%. Across 71 trades, the win rate was impressive at around 74% on longs and 68% on shorts, with a smooth balance curve and no heavy drawdowns, making it reliable even for cautious traders. Finally, the EA is available on the YoForex Premium Telegram channel with set files and support, featuring multi-pair compatibility, any time frame use, minimum $500 deposit, no martingale or grid, and though the original price was $699, YoForex is offering it free. So don't miss the chance to download Monetree EA V1.0 MT4 today and start testing it yourself.